to throw this into the McLaren. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Miami Miles. My name's Mickey, and welcome to what is perhaps the most disgusting day that I've ever filmed on. Look at this, my hair is wet. The inclement weather has made it almost so we can't work, we can't drive, we can't, do what we always do on Miami roads. But today I'm stuck with this beauty, the 2020 McLaren GT. And I'm gonna show you exactly what it's like to live with this every single day. Yes, it's sexy. Look at this car. It is perhaps one of the most delicious looking modern supercars in existence. Now, don't get me wrong, the very first time I saw the car, I didn't like the front and how it meshed into the rear. But seeing it in the flesh, it gives me, the typical rock hard situation that I love so much. It is gorgeous. I love how this back is so modern with these vents, this rear diffuser, and when you go around the side, you have these gaping vents here. Oh my goodness. I love McLaren. I've always thought they had the most gorgeous cars with the most modern design language, and this car is no exception to the rule. Then as we come around the front is typical McLaren. The only thing I don't like about the car in its exterior is this. It's a little bit too high off the ground, but besides that, when you see this car, considering that it's $200,000 on the used market, it is immense. And I would imagine living with this thing every single day and seeing it every day and falling in love with it over and over and over would make you a very happy person. So let me show you what it's like now to do some day-to-day tasks with the car. Test if it's practical, we're going into home goods. Last night was tough, boys and girls. Gotta get some new pillows. Lemon pillows. Oh man, I don't know about the lemon pillows though. Right? We got the small pillows, nope. Oh, there we go, the large pillows. Wifey said I needed 4 because I did bad things to these last night. 2 of those, these king as well. Sunny grid down pillow. What do you do with a down pillow? Oh, shit. King, 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 boom. We got the pillows. What do you mean I stained the sheets? Can you wash them? No? All right, I'll pick up some sheets. $101. So the question is, how comfortably do these pillows fit in my McLaren? Well, look at how easy that was. It just went right in there. Look at that. Perfect space for 4 pillows. Gotta put these right here. Wait, nope. There we go. Is there a button? There is a button. Oh, let's go, baby. Now I'm seated in traffic in this car's most comfortable settings. I'm entering Brickell. I've just seen the drawbridges coming down. Oh, dude, this is insane. But this car This car is perhaps one of the most comfortable automobiles I've ever sat inside. Oh my goodness, the moment you disable the active panel, the car enters this gentle setting wherein it rides over bumps in a way where it makes you feel like you're one with the road. You don't feel any awkwardness, any vibrations, the engine shit. It's completely quiet behind me. This is insane. And then the steering softens up. And as I go over this bridge, where normally it's supposed to get very vibration-y, it's actually extremely comfortable. This is perhaps one of the most comfortable cars I've ever been in. And the craziest part is that it's a supercar. It is a supercar, and it's riding over everything like a magic carpet ride. But don't get me wrong, this is not like a C8 Corvette. The C8 Corvette had that ride, but it made you feel disconnected. In this car, you still feel like you're part of the road, like you're part of the experience, which is what's insane. It is so comfortable, so engaging that I promise you, you could put your significant other on this seat. They could give you a little reach around or a little fellatio, and you could enjoy yourself because you wouldn't be interrupted by any awkwardness in the road. Oh my God, yes, this is comfortable. So the next question is, how good is this car in a drive-thru? Dude, I'm actually in the tightest McDonald's drive-thru ever. Oh my goodness. Okay, Mickey, don't curb $6,500 wheels.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello, can I have 10 Big Macs and a fry?
One Big Mac.
10, 10, 1 0.
10, order the Big Mac.
Yeah.
Okay, so go the first window, please. Thank you.
No worries. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna get 10 Big Macs. Oh, and obviously here in Miami, she thought it was one Big Mac. One Big Mac. Hello. How you doing? Yes. Yes. 10 Big Mac para abajo. Ah. 10 Big Mac. Y una papita. Una sola. Extra large. Y una Coca-Cola. Dos. Una aquí. Eso te está filmando. Ay. Alright, so they just looked at me kind of awkward. 10 Big Macs and one French fry and one drink. A little bit of an awkward order. Oh man, it's so great going through drive-thrus in a car like this. Okay, 5. All right, we got 5 Big Macs. I think this is the longest I've ever waited at McDonald's. Oh, the next 5? Damn. Thank you. Thank you. Take care. All right, so as a Big Mac car in a drive-thru, it actually does pretty well. It's just really stressful to navigate these curves with these wheels. So now we are 10 Big Macs richer. Now, the question is, now that we have all these Big Macs, now that we've established that this car is excellent in drive-thrus, the question is, if you own a McLaren GT, can you be charitable? So the car's excelled at pretty much everything that we've done with it, but how good is it at massaging my situation? I'm gonna take my little finger here, press the active button and turn everything up into track. Downshift, instantaneous downshift, foot all the way down to 2nd gear, 3rd gear, no boost, there's the boost. Oh my goodness, 110 miles an hour. The McLaren power delivery is such a signature to McLaren, because this car's got all this lag, and then when it finally comes on boost, it punches you in the face. One more time, fourth gear, there's the boost. Wow, and I thought the F80 BMW had a lot of turbo lag. This thing is lag galore, unbelievable. But that engine, even though it's lagging, delivers such a shocking power delivery, is mated to this delicious gearbox. Upshift, 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 downshift, downshift, downshift. Instantaneous on the downshift. Oh my goodness, what a gearbox. I love how this thing shifts both on the up and on the down. This is immense. Look at that, downshift, upshift, downshift, upshift, downshift, downshift. Oh my goodness. What a gearbox. I love the McLaren gearbox, baby. Woo! Okay, guys, what about the steering? The steering in a McLaren is so natural and progressive. I forgot just how communicative and relaxed these steering racks are. They give you all the feel that you need to make you feel in control of the car, but they deliver the level of connection that you yearn for as a driver. Now, again, I'm in traffic. It's a terrible day to do a drive like this because I can't go fast. I can't do anything. But to be frank, I do feel like this GT wraps itself around me, even though it's supposed to be Rolls Royce, like in its drive and in its comfort. Like, honestly, I love that I'm insulated from the harshness, but then I can turn this engine loose and put my foot all the way down, feel that boost build and punch me in the face, and actually enjoy this car in sport mode. So the answer to the question is yes, it does massage me in my private parts. The only caveat is it doesn't give me the highs that make me want to finish. It gets me right up to the point, you know, that I'm super excited, super emotional, but then I'm like, oh, what do I do now? I feel like I've got blue balls. That's what this is missing. It's really good in everything that it does, but it's not really excellent at being a sports car that delivers all the feels. So I'm sure that's what the 600 LT is for, and what my 765 LT will be for. Nonetheless, I like the car a lot. I just wish, you know, it massaged me just enough to make me reach a crescendo.
Oh, I love those dihedral doors, man. Gives this car the exotic feel. What can I say? The McLaren GT, a very special car for someone who lives in Miami that wants something smooth, something that can assassinate you when you turn it up into track mode. It's a hell of an experience. Anyways, guys, what did I like most about the car? Well, I love the looks. I love its comfort. I love that, you know, it's super practical. It even fit 4 large pillows in the back, you know, so if you guys ever want to do a little party back there, this is the car for you. Besides that, guys, tremendous car. Now, would I buy one? Probably not, because it's not quite as hard-edged and as exciting as I would like. That being said, I think this is a great precursor to what's going to happen with my 765 LT, so it makes me that much more excited. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, go down below, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next video. Take care.